Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So as you can see, I have a lovely parcel from BeeBeeCrafts. Now I've done a couple of unboxings from them before and I just love their products. Now when I pick the products, I sort of have a sort of projects or a couple of projects in mind. So I'm going to show you what I have in here. Now if you wanted to be part of their program, you can do an unboxing as well, and you need to have a YouTube channel and you need to have at least 100 subscribers on there, so it's not too many, so it is a great thing to do. So I'm going to put all the details down below, and also you have a 10% discount from their store if you use the code G10. So I'm going to pop all the details underneath the video as well, and all the details of the products that are in here. So let's go ahead and open it up. So this is so exciting. I do love doing unboxing. So let's just cut this open, if I can remember what I ordered. Now let's have a little peek. Now I have got, that's the piece of paper that we have all sorts. Now I've got lots of beads, beady bits today as well. So there we go. We have, oh, there's another one. So look at all this lovely yummy stuff. So I have got seed beads. Now I do have a project in mind. When they asked me to pick some products of what to do, I do sort of have like a little project in mind that I'd like to do, and this time I am going to be doing some with beads. So I have got some beautiful sort of silvery clear seed beads. Now these are 4mm seed beads on here, so they are lovely. It doesn't say what color they are, and I also have some silver ones, and they are the same size, so they're 4mm. So loving those. Look at those. These silver seed beads are really nice. It's like spacer beads as well. So if you can't get the spacer beads, which I have in the past had trouble with, you can use these beautiful silver seed beads as well. So they are lovely. Let's just pop these to the side and then we can have a look. So I have those, and then I have some beautiful little pearls. I do love pearls. Now let's see, it doesn't say what size they are, does it? But that's okay. They are nice and tiny, so they are lovely. Look at these beautiful pink ones. I will open these up in a minute. Doesn't say what size they are. I have some bigger pink ones, and then I have, did we have any more beads? And then look at these are little small glass seed beads. Now these are tiny. So I'm going to be brave and open these up. Let's just cut this open. I should have had a little bowl here really, shouldn't I? Oops. I can open these up. So I do have a little project in mind. Look, if I can open this. Oh, there we go. So these are beautiful. Let's just tip a couple in my hand. These are tiny ones, and look at the color of those. I'm going to fluff off my hands. They are beautiful. It's got a little mermaid on there, look, so you can see how sort of like colorful they are. So almost iridescent. Now they are tiny. So it doesn't say. I will pop it on the screen if I can see what size they are. So that's some seed beads. Let's just do the seed beads. So I've got 3 different lots of seed beads. Now I won't open these up because they are in a little bag. I need to get a little pot to put these in, I think. But these, oh no, I will open them. Let me open them up so you can see. Let's just cut the corner off like that. Look at that, beautiful. Oh, they're quite heavy. Oh, I do like these. They're very silver, and the nice thing about these, they look silver all the way through, even on the inside. Can you see? They are beautiful. Nice chunky beads they are. Now I'm going to pop those like that. I'm going to pop these just leave them on there, look, in a little bundle. Let's just make a big mess today, shall we? Can you see those? Yes, you can. That's on these ones. And then we've got the lovely clear ones. Now, I do like these. These are lovely. Look at that. These are as well, these are silver inside. You can see the quality is fabulous, because some seed beads the quality isn't very good. So that's the silver ones, and then we've got the clear ones. Oh, I can't wait to start playing with these and making some things. So they are lovely. Oh, I know I'm going to have beads everywhere today. Okay, so then we have some beautiful pearls. Let's open these up like this. So these are on a nice little, there's like the, oh, that's silver, that's quite nice actually. So look, these are on a nice little piece of the wire. They are gorgeous, love those. So you can see all of these are going together really, really nicely. All the colours, I wanted something sort of like pretty. I'm going to do something quite pretty with these. Look at those, aren't they just beautiful? Look at those, gorgeous, shiny. So all of these and all these lovely iridescent colours, just beautiful. Now these are little glass beads. Did it say what size they were? No, I don't know what that is, but I will pop it on the screen. Beautiful. Gorgeous. And these ones, look at these. They are the same style, but just bigger. But aren't they just lovely? I do love glass beads. Glass beads are just amazing, aren't they? Look at those. Look at all those lovely colours. So that is my beady section, and I also got some wire. Now I got this one. Last time I got the I think it was the bronzy sort of colour, and this time I got the silver. Now I got a 26 gauge one because I wanted a very thin one, and I also got this one, which was, let me open this up like this, and that's a 22 gauge one. Now 22 gauge, I like the size of this one because this is sort of like, I find it's a nice size. So we have, which is 0.6 millimeters. Okay, and on these ones you get 22 yards or 20 meters, which is, and on the thinner one, which is the 26 gauge, you get 65 yards or 60 meters, and that's 0.4 millimeters. So you can see this one is very thin, but I wanted to do something, well, I'll show you in the next video. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing with those, but I love those, which is really nice. So they all go really, really well together. So I am so happy with that. Okay, the next thing I wanted to get was, because the last time we did some resin work, I thought, because lots of you have bought your UV resin, so I thought I would do another couple of projects with these. Look at these, fantastic, aren't they? They've got a little hole in the top here. Does it say what size these are? No. You get 10 in here. Not quite sure what size. Let's get this out. So this isn't in inches, this is in millimeters. So that's 4 centimeters, I mean, on there. Let me get my other one. Let's use this one, shall we? So that's 1 3/4 inches or 4 centimeters on there, these size, and they are just beautiful. Now you could use these as earrings, couldn't you? Actually, maybe I will make a pair of earrings out of these. I didn't realize actually they would be so big, but they are lovely, absolutely lovely. So I'm going to do some lovely resin work with those. We have these, look at these. I've got some lovely hearts. Look at these, beautiful, aren't they? I love them. You could actually make earrings out of these as well, but I like my dingly dangly, so I like to dangle things, and I think these hearts would be absolutely perfect, wouldn't they? Absolutely beautiful. Now let's see, get 10 of these as well, and they are at the fattest point, that's 2 centimeters or that's just 1 3/4 inch, no, 3/4 of an inch, I mean. So look at that, absolutely lovely, lovely size to work with. I'm loving these. So how exciting. I haven't done any resin work for ages, so that's going to be fun to do. Now what have I got? Oh, I've got more beads. Gosh, this is a big bag of beads. Oh, if I can open them. Now these are 6mm square round. So these are little 6mm ones. Let's open these up. Oh, look at all of those. Oh, fabulous. Look at that. Beautiful glass beads. Aren't they just lovely? So I've got the beautiful pinks and the lovely clear glass beads. Look at them. Aren't they just gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I have got some lovely, lovely stuff to work with today. So let's pop all that. And the last one I've got here, these are really exciting. Now, let me try and get into these. I might need my little knife on this one. Let's see if we can just open this up. So we all love flowers. Well, I absolutely love flowers. And then these are some beautiful ones that we can fill with resin. And I love their little boxes as well. Gosh, we get a huge amount in here. We get, it says 1 box, but I do believe you get about 30 of them. Look at those. These will make fabulous dingly danglies. Let's pop them there. Look at that. Fill that with some beautiful coloured resin. Look at these. Now, look, what styles do we have? That's a different one. Is that the same one? Not quite sure. Is there 2 styles? I think that's a rounder one. Or is that one? I think there's 3 styles. That's a different one. Okay, 3 styles in here. We've got that one, we have that one, and then we have that one. So I think it's just the 3, if I remember correctly. But look at those, aren't they gorgeous? Now these are, let's just measure them. That's 1 1/4 inches. Well, that's roughly about 3 centimeters. Oh, I can't wait to fill those with some beautiful resin. I think they're roughly all the same size. Yeah, they're roughly the same size, but how lovely are those? Aren't they just gorgeous? So how exciting. And the stuff that I've got from BeeBeeCraft will work well with these as well. So I'm really, really excited to start having a lovely play. So I'm going to get my resin out. And I'm going to get my pliers out, and we are going to make some lovely, lovely things. So if you've got some beads or you want to have a go, I've got all the links down below for all the products that we have here. So please do take a look at the BeeBeeCraft's website, because they have some amazing stuff. Look at these. I'm loving it. So I am so excited. So guess what I'm going to be doing this afternoon? I'm going to be having a lovely, lovely play with all these products. And I will be giving you a couple of videos because I have lots of ideas of what to do. So there we go, guys. That is the fabulous unboxing from BeeBeeCrafts. So don't forget, you get a 10% discount by using the code G10. I'm going to have the links down below for their website, so please go and have a lovely look on there. You will be there for hours, I tell you, because there are so many different things that you would like to do. I've tried to pick stuff which is not too expensive, so please do have a look, and then we can craft along together. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much, BeeBeeCrafts, for all these wonderful products. And in the next couple of videos, I will making lots of lovely bits and pieces. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a fantastic crafty day, and I will see you soon. All right, guys. Bye-bye.